लेकिन पीडीपी जो है वो इस बार आपसे मिलने के लिए नहीं आए। उन्होंने कहा कि हम इस प्रोसेस से अलग रहेंगे। इसको आप किस तरह देखते हैं, और जो बाकी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज का आपको सपोर्ट मिला या कई ने आपके सामने ग्रीवेंसेस भी रखे, उसको आप किस तरह देखते हैं? दो सवाल।
सर, आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू टू
So ये माइक नीचे करवा देंगे मैम का, प्लीज कवर हो रहा है माइक नीचे करवा देंगे। ये बड़े भाई वाई कीजिए।
We can only interact with those
उठा दो यार, फेस नहीं आ रहा।
who want to participate in the process. Those who do not want to participate, what we can say, we wish they all come. That's
And the second point we have said that all the political parties have come. We really welcome. We have come with an open mind. We have come to see the concerns of each and everyone. So we really welcome all the persons who have come, who have given their representations, who have given their views. Because this is a historical exercise, a constitutional exercise, and we expected that everybody should come and give their suggestions on that.
सर,
अगला सवाल श्रीनगर से है, तो फिर आपको पास वापस आती हूँ। श्रीनगर से कोई
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, we can. Please go ahead. अपना नाम बताएं, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बताएं।
Well, I am Hakeem Irfan. I am a journalist with Economic Times newspaper. Ma'am, I just wanted to say that a lot of parties from Kashmir, they have expressed concerns and fears that this delimitation commission will work at the base of a particular political agenda. They have told you also, they have informed you that this is what they told us. So, what kind of assurances will you give to these kind of aspersions and these concerns from Kashmir?
I can only assure you, on behalf of myself and my colleagues here, that the exercise is going to be transparent by the letter of law, and I don't think anybody should have any fears. We are very confident that we will finish this as per the letter of law and in most transparent manner. Otherwise, we would not be coming and spending 3-4 days here talking to so many people.
अगला सवाल आप
I am Vijender Singh Suri and I represent the CNN Society. The people in Jammu, they have a concern. They say that when the earlier delimitation was done, Kashmir Valley got more seats and Jammu was left with less seats. Now that you have a mandate to add 7 more seats, so can the people in Jammu expect that they will finally get some justice?
For us, Jammu and Kashmir is one unity. And as I told you, that the delimitation will be done on the census of 2011, but also considering the various features like the geographical compactness, the conveniences, public conveniences, accessibility, the communication facilities, and the topography of the various areas. So all these issues will be considered by the Commission, and in this regard, a lot of representation have also been received. So we see as a Commission, we see it as a one unity. We do not, bifurcate that how much will go to Delhi and how much will go to Jammu and Kashmir. But all the things will be done in a very transparent, and all whatever criteria has been adopted by the Commission, that will be uniformly applicable to all units.
जी सर पंकज शर्मा सर, न्यूज़ 24। सर, ऐसा है कि आप जम्मू और कश्मीर दोनों डिवीजन के डेलीगेशन से आप मिले, दोनों ने आपके सामने अपनी बातें रखी और जाहिर सी बात है कि दोनों के मुद्दे अलग अलग होंगे। आपके सामने एक बड़ी चुनौती है कि जो उन्होंने बातें रखी हैं उनको फुलफिल करना, ताकि कोई आप पे आरोप ना लगा सके कि भेदभाव हुआ है इस खेते के साथ। एक दूसरा, जो पीओके की सीट्स है उसको डिक्रीज करने की बात कही जा रही है। कुछ सीटें हैं जैसे कश्मीरी पंडित हैं, सिख समाज है, रिफ्यूजीज हैं, उनके लिए कुछ सीटों को जब्त करने की बात कही जा रही है। उसको लेकर क्या कहेंगे?
आपने तो एक सवाल में 3 सवाल पूछ लिए हैं। देखिए, पहला जो आपने कहा कि पीओके के जे की सीट्स, ये जो हम लोगों का प्रावधान है, हम लोग जो डिलिमिटेशन एक्ट है उसके अंतर्गत कार्य कर रहे हैं, एंड जम्मू एंड कश्मीर रिऑर्गेनाइजेशन एक्ट 2019, एंड as I told you that I have narrated the section 40 also in front of you, in which under the act it has been very clearly mentioned that 24 seats in the Legislative Assembly of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir shall remain vacant and shall not be taken into account for reckoning the total membership of the Assembly. And the said area and the seats shall be excluded in delimiting the territorial constituencies as provided under Part 5 of the Act. So they will remain, out of this purview of, and we will be doing the delimitation of 90 seats, which have been raised from 83 to 90, and we have to add 7 more constituencies in that.
अगला
जो
सवाल
सीटें
सर सर फहीम खान एक बच्चा सर डीलिमिटेशन कमीशन का जो विजिट है सेंसस को लेकर बहुत सारे सवाल जो उठाए जा रहे हैं 2021 में जहां 2022 में सेंसस होने जा रहा है वही 2011 के सेंसस पे आप डीलिमिटेशन कमीशन की सीट्स को जो है वो लेकर जा रहे हैं जम्मू कश्मीर में। तो क्या डीलिमिटेशन कमीशन अगले साल तक इंतजार नहीं कर सकता था कि यहाँ पे जो आप सीट्स बढ़ा रहे हैं तब जाके जो है वो उस नए सेंसस पर जो है वो सीट्स का बंटवारा हो?
देखिए, मैं इसमें आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि आपका जो जम्मू एंड कश्मीर का जो डिलिमिटेशन पिछला वाला हुआ है 95 में हुआ है वो किस सेंसस पे हुआ है? वो 1981 सेंसस पे हुआ है, जबकि पूरे मुल्क में जो डिलिमिटेशन हुआ है वो 2001 सेंसस का आधार पर हुआ है। यानी कि जम्मू एंड कश्मीर का जो डिलिमिटेशन है वो 1981 के आधार पर हुआ है, जिसको कि कितने साल हो चुके हैं? 41 साल हो चुके हैं। 2020 में जब कमीशन सेटअप किया गया, then the last census which is available is 2011 census. So as per this act, the latest census which is available, and the census will have to be completed by that, and that is the mandate of delimitation commission.
Go back to Srinagar for next question, please.
My name is Nazir Masoodi. I work for NDTV. So my question is this: you said this commission was constituted in March 2020, and you visited here following this all-party meeting convened by the Prime Minister, where the Prime Minister said all the parties to participate in delimitation commission asked for a speedy completion of delimitation in Jammu and Kashmir before assembly elections are held. So then that raises the question that if it was just a constitutional requirement, you should have visited it or completed it before. And when it was happened, your visit happened in the wake of political call by the Prime Minister. So that is raising the question about or the concern about the gerrymandering. So how you are going to allow us here that there will be no gerrymandering, it will be strictly based on the constitution and the census, nothing else.
It is, I can assure you that it is absolutely as per the constitutional mandate, and it is for absolutely as per the act. Because of COVID, actually, we could not come early to Jammu and Kashmir, though a lot of work was being done. We had called the meeting of associate members, which was also done. We had made the representations were directly come to the commission, and we have collected all the data which was required for this, that is census and the basic certificate maps. So the commission is doing its work. It is and regularly, because it was given initially a one year period, and that because of COVID it could not be completed, and appointment of a election state election commissioner, which was done in December. So now when the COVID is over, we have started our work again, and we assure you, and as the chairperson has also assured in another position, that it will be absolutely transparent process, and because of which we are here to know the views of all stakeholders, and that is why we have gone, to Srinagar, to Kishtwar, to Jammu, and the persons have given so many, representations. We have met 290 groups comprising of something around more than 800 persons. So we have got cut out that ask for that, and it has to be transparent, that I can assure.
अजय डंडिया अजय डंडिया इंडिया न्यूज से हूँ सर। आपका यहाँ का जो गोल था वो हो चुका है, वापस आप जाएंगे। जैसे आपने बताया कि अभी भी आपने फोरम ओपन रखा है, सबमिशंस कुछ होंगी तो वो ले सकते हैं, पब्लिक आपको भी सुना जाएगा। कब तक आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि जो आपकी ये प्रक्रिया है पूरी हो जाएगी? क्योंकि 1.5 साल से ज्यादा हुआ है, लोग चाहते हैं कि इलेक्शन हो, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी भी यही चाहती होगी। कब तक आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं हो जाएंगी? और शर्मा साहब से एक सवाल है कि सर उसके बाद इलेक्शंस को कितना समय आप लग सकता है इसमें?
देखिए, जो लोगों को अभी जो 1 साल का एक्सटेंशन दिया गया था कमीशन March is the last date for us. We will try our level best to complete in the given time to us, because we have to take opinion and the concerns of all stakeholders, and that's why we are giving time also to consider those. And as soon as it is finalized and with the associate members' comments also, then it will be put in the public domain, and the commission will try its level best to complete this exercise within the time frame given to us.
Ma'am, one last question. Sir, ma'am, we have not been